Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a quick update to the video that I did on Monday the 7th, where I reviewed the Vego indoor composter. And I just want you to know that I have used it 3 or 4 times. And this is the compost that it has made. And it is awesome. Um, I predominantly have been using the 24-hour cycle, where it runs 24 hours, and that method provides more nutrients or allows for more nutrients to be left in the compost. But last night I did the rapid composting, and that takes anywhere from 2 to 9 hours. And I must say, when I woke up this morning, it was completely composted. I put in the machine about 7.5 pounds of kitchen waste. And for it to compost down to a little over three pounds is amazing. And later on today, I'm probably going to go out and spread some of this around on my plants, specifically my peppers, my squash, and my tomatoes. But if you're interested in purchasing one, I'll put the link, put my personal link and discount code on the screen, and I'll put the link for the video in case you missed it up on the screen also. It is a really good machine. I think anyone purchasing it will like it. So we're looking down in the top of the machine. Here in the front of the machine, you can see the on-off button and the 5 cycles that I spoke of. Currently, we're using the 24-hour cycle. That one allows for more nutrients to be left in the compost. The one next to it is the rapid compost one that I used last night, and as I mentioned, it takes anywhere from 2 to 8 hours. We also have 3 other cycles that you can use, with the last one being the self-cleaning one. You just have to add water and run it, and it will clean itself. You have the on-off button, and then next to it you have a light. In back of it you have the opening where the charcoal filter goes in. The filter is in the form of little pellets, and it also comes with the machine. You snap the opening off, put in the pellets, and then put it back in, and you can hardly smell anything, which is good, because some of the stuff can be pretty foul. What I have in here now running is squash, onion skins, zucchini, tomato, and a couple of coffee filters. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this quick review and update. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll leave the link and discount code in the description portion of the video, as well as the comment section. Always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of fruit and vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, take care.